Guys, I have this Siemens fridge and I wanted to fix the issue that it was not cooling enough, and to do that I needed to open also a little this small control this unit, which houses a relay unit and also the connections to this capacitor. I looked around on how to open the lock to keep this housing open, but it was not available, so I thought I will make a video of myself actually how to open it. So what you do is, it already mentions the steps on the box, but you have no idea how to do that. So what I will tell you is there are three steps. One is this screw you see here, you have to open the screw. This is holding this housing. So the top part I already loosened it, so you open this. I have opened it. The second part is, this is a lock here. I have a bit loosened it. I will show you how, and later on I will also tell you how, if it is locked, how to open it. But I have already loosened this lock, so there is a lock, a plastic latch which you have to push to unlock it. I have unlocked it, so I'll first show you how the lock looks. So look inside it, you will see a small latch, and within that, inside it, it's like this. So what you have to do is, I'll put it on the floor. What you have to do is, you have to somehow make this latch a bit tilted towards the inside of the box, and that will unlock because it is latched here. You see a small, okay, maybe it's not very much visible, but this metal kind of hook just behind the green wire, this is where it is locked. So what you do is, I'll try to show you how. I'll put it back. Okay, I've put it back. So what you do is, okay, I did not put it correctly. Okay, now it's in. What you do is, within this, or take a flat screwdriver, and what you do is, you have to push this side a bit on the left, so it opens up, it unlocks, and then try to pull the box back at the same time, and that will do the trick. And of course you have to also open this screw. Rest, how to troubleshoot the fridge, I still have to do. So this is only a video to how to open this box. Thank you guys.